What's up, guys? This is J&B Creative Solutions.
Teaching you guys how to hustle and flow through life. Episode 5, garage sailing experiences. We're heading over to Cape Coral today to get some flips.
Finding some cool stuff so far.
Remember, if you ain't flipping,
you are tripping.
So stay tuned and watch what we get today.
Let's see what they have. What do you think we're gonna find?
I feel very good about today. I think we're gonna get today. So let's check out the first one. Let me fix my hair, make sure I look nice and manly for all the old people who are selling there.
So that you can negotiate.
Yeah, so I don't look like a creep.
So we didn't find anything at the first garage sale.
What you mean? You got pots.
I got pots. That's the only thing.
We didn't
as in plant pots, because I do look for gardening things. They were free. They were free. It was awesome.
You don't want to buy everything.
You don't want to buy everything, yeah.
Anyways,
you just want to buy the things you know are going to flip quick.
Quick flips.
Quick flips.
Off to the next one.
If you ain't flipping,
you tripping.
We're pulling up to the second garage sale of the day. And
we've only been out here for 20 minutes.
Let's see what we find.
Good morning. What we got?
Star Wars lunchbox. Star Wars sells pretty good. I don't know why.
What do you mean you don't know why? It's Star Wars. Everything Star Wars sells.
And people love Star Wars. All of our Star Wars toys that we have posted so far sell right away. They'll sell on the same day.
Yep.
Yep.
In and out, make it snappy, so you can get as much as you can. Let's see what we find. We found like an anniversary of this like group. It's like a collection of CDs of like MP, you know. And she's like, "Oh, it's not for sale." I'm like, "What? How is it not for sale?"
Everything in the house was for sale, but except for that when we asked her.
Yeah, I managed to check on eBay real quick, and it was selling for like $28, $25 multiple times already. So it was gonna be a good buy, but can happen. Anyways, off to the fifth one. This one had toys on the listing, so there's a bunch of old people here, so I'm pretty sure they're not looking for toys. Let's hope we get some good stuff. You look good, girl.
Yeah, we out here.
We out here.
All these old ass people housed up.
Let's see what we get. Finally, we stopped somewhere and managed to get some stuff.
Yeah.
What you got there, girl?
Bobble make water better.
Bobble make water better.
Yeah.
And our favorite, we got some expired ink cartridges.
Ink cartridges.
We paid $1 for each pack. We got 2 packs right here.
Yes.
All right, super excited. Finally, so far we've only spent $5, guys, and we got around 8 items. Wow, look at that car. Fire. It is for sale too. $19,000. Remember to always keep your eyes open for things that you might need for your household, because you can find some really good prices out here. Anyways, off to the next one we go. Picked up this fire mug for $1.50
That'll be good to sell
in the box. Mercari, eBay, crazy come up. Look at this. Estate sale. They're selling everything in the house. For all our supporters or anybody who's a new viewer, please subscribe, show some love, and hit the notification tab. Didn't really find nothing in this estate sale. Estate sale, they usually sell everything that's in the house, and they're getting rid of everything. But they were selling things pretty pricey though, but we didn't find nothing valuable. What you think?
It's a no-go.
In a shot, in a stop, you get because you're fat. And just pick up your them up. Can't keep up with them change, they report them. Even in the muggling.
Pulling up to another one. This one says they have toys, so let's see what they got. We are done for the day. As usual, gonna stop and get some food before getting to the house. But anyways, in the meantime, check out what we got. Okay guys, so the first items we picked up were these Epson ink cartridges. As you can see, they're brand new in the box, still wrapped in the plastic. We got 2 packs of these cartridges for $1 each. Although they're expired, as you can see in the bottom, these items still sell very well on eBay because they still have use. They vary in price depending on the printer it's for, but they can sell anywhere from $8 to $25 a pack. The second item we picked up was this awesome Yoda Star Wars lunchbox. This was pretty cool, the main reason I picked it up. Paid $1 for it, gonna probably list it for around $7 since it still has the tag for that price. Cool buy. Next thing we picked up was this Hello Kitty mug. Hello Kitty is highly collectible, and especially if it's a mug. Paid around $1 for this. Gonna list it for around 12 bucks. The next item we got was this classic Titanic VHS tape. Paid 25 cents for it, still in the plastic. Then we picked up these Bobble water bottles with the filters. Paid $1 for each, going to list it online for around $6 to $7 each. This one was a cool buy. This is a Warner Bros. 1994 glass cup. We paid 25 cents for this one. And last but not least, we got this awesome camera case for $5. $5, amazing steal. Could sell this on eBay for anywhere from 25 to 45 bucks. Amazing condition. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button.